Let's go ahead and watch this. This is going to be Riders in Trouble, Epic and Scary Motorcycle Moments 2022 from MotoStars. Let's go ahead and see what MotoStars has to offer today. Make sure you subscribe to MotoStars.
No me sale.
The Rocket Man. Woo! Whiskey Throttle. Boom! Ooh! Ooh, that's not funny anymore. That's not funny anymore. That's not funny anymore. Oh, his leg. His leg. Okay, he's fine.
Espérate, güey.
Now it's funny. All right, Pharos Cro-Magnon.
This ride
So Neanderthal.
the other driver and he was close to paying a high price.
Look forward. Look forward. It's hard to see here, but look at the right of the dump truck. You can see a glimpse of a white car pulling out. Okay, so a line of sight issue. Line of sight issue. Can't see. Oh, impact. Good job on the swerve. Good job. Reckless driver almost hits motorcycle. Okay. Ooh, just because it's green doesn't mean you go. Pay attention. All right, so here we go. Oh, merge issue, merge issue. Good job. Checked his mirrors, checked his blind spot, moved over. Good job being in orange stage, prepped and ready. Keep checking. He's doing his indicators. Good smart rider. Love it. Give him a shout out, TD205. Good job. Jonathan Kustos. Kutsos. Whoa! Where are you? Are you in the wrong lane, motorcycle man? I think he was. I think he was.
And too large swing angle on the bike leads to a fall.
Okay, look, that was a decreasing radius. You saw how it was like a normal turn, and then it did this real quick. Yeah, you can't be maintaining that speed all the way through. Hey, is that somebody's window right there? That's pretty cool. Oh, Europe is interesting. All right, you're around a blind corner, dude. You gotta move. There you go. Didn't see the stop sign. You be the judge. All right. So if you didn't see it or they didn't see it, a little rolling stop, but we did okay with our progressive brake pressure and kind of getting ourselves out of the situation, maintaining that space cushion in between us and that Dodge. There we go. Moving on. Oh, a little impact. Thankfully, we didn't run over our buddies, but where'd that person come from? It's always good to have a trauma kit in a situation like this. You can bleed out real quickly. Make sure everyone's okay. We have rescue kits on the shop right now. New low prices once again. Oh, Cro-Magnon again. They did a really good swerve the first time. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's fine. They're over the line. It happens all the time. Nobody ever stops at that line like they're supposed to. But they didn't. Oh, again, we're going to deal with it again. Okay, not a big deal. Not a big deal. You're taken away from the good you did earlier. Please stop. Please stop. I don't want you doing anything more bads and things. How many times do you have to turn into this church parking lot, buddy? Okay. Let's stop. Let's stop doing that. All right. You did a good job on the swerve. I'm just going to only give you that. We're done. Are you going in circles? Are you going in circles? Is this like a Sunday and you're going in circles just to get more and more footage?
One of the worst situations
Oh my
is
gosh.
when the driver leaving from behind other cars is unable to notice an oncoming bike.
Okay, line of sight issues. Line of sight, there it is. Oh, he went up and over, so he slammed that brakes, but he actually had traction, so he endoed up and over. Not good. That's a lot of impact to your body, because once you go over, you're kind of putting your hands there like, oh no! Breaks your arms, maybe hits your face a little bit, kind of knocks you loose. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna start yelling at other motorcycle riders and yell at them for not putting a foot down at stop signs. Yeah, because it's not a complete stop, right? Until you put your foot down. So she's doing a quick assessment. Very good. Another Cro-Magnon dude. All right, so he backed out. Pay attention. Ooh, you weren't paying attention, buddy. You were trying to get some footage of that person, weren't ya? Weren't ya? No, can't be doing that, dude. You got to pay attention. You were zoned out, not paying attention at all. And now we're going to yell at the truck driver for your mistake. You're going to yell at the truck driver for hitting the other vehicle, huh? Hey, look, it's the church again. How many churches do they have?
Yeah, this guy's an idiot. I think I'm done with class. Yeah, I'm losing too many brain cells.